What's up and welcome to my channel. I recommend you to also take a look at my other channel, which is Edward Excel. I share a lot of interesting things. With that being said, a lot of traders think that smart money make them profitable. I recommend to pay close attention to all the things that are shared in my channel right here, whether they are the shorts or the videos or also the written things that I share and most people don't take a look at. I recommend you to take a look at these things because a lot of people, as I said already, think that smart money makes you profitable. But why? If everyone knows about smart money, why is not everyone profitable yet? Why are 95% of the traders still losing money? This doesn't make sense because it seems like smart money is the holy grail, but at the same time, 95% of the people are still losing money. Of course, it can be a mindset problem. Of course, it can be, not good risk management and a lot of other things. But at the same time, it looks like smart money doesn't really work. Is that really it? I'm not sure. Actually, I am. I know that, I know for sure that you need to have a statistical edge when you're trading. Smart money doesn't make you profitable. My strategy has some concepts of smart money. It actually has many concepts that are put together and many others that I don't really take a look at. The reason why is because you need to find a statistical edge on the market, whether it is with smart money or with other things, and you need to make sure that your strategy is back tested and works statistically. We are here, and I am here in this channel to show you concepts that are making me profitable. So with that being said, let's get started. Go in my bank account. Perfect. Here we have NZD CAD. Do you see any similarity with what I just with the things that I just covered in GBUSD? You see the Asian range is trending. Here we break to the downside. First break, second break, manipulation to the upside. So this is the best supply that you could trade from. Why? Because we manipulate and then break. We go from external liquidity to internal liquidity that you marked right here. This is perfect. And then what? We just have a reaction. If you don't want to enter right away, we could look at this engulfing candle. Now we have a nice trade targeting external liquidity. This is perfect. This is exactly what we just covered. And I'm really glad that we are seeing this from one of the students. This is exactly what we just covered on GBPUSD right here. Asian range is trending. Nice supply that manipulates. We come back, confirmation, entry, continuation to the downside. Perfect. Do you see the similarities? This is perfect. Here, what do we have? We have EuroGP 3 minutes. This is lower time frames. Let's check first the higher time frames. Now, higher time frames, what do we see? A break of structure to the upside. We come back, we come to the demand area. First touch usually is swept, and that's actually what happens. We have liquidity up here. Perfect. Now we go to lower time frames. We have it right here. After reaching it, we continue to the downside. Here we have fake change of character. So we break to the downside, break to the upside, fake change of character. We have the sweep of the liquidity of the fake change of character. Continuation to the upside. Good change of character. With that being said, this is a great time to look for entries. Actually, we go one pip below this. Probably, if we use the Excel indicator, these two candles are equal lows. So must be very careful with that. If we have equal lows, the Excel indicator is here for that in order to prevent possible bad entries. And yeah, this is a possible very good analysis. Here we have gold, 1 hour chart. So this is great. Equal highs right here. Equal highs, imbalance, strong push to the upside. Still need to grab this external liquidity. This is great analysis overall, but I would never just rely on a demand area like this to just consider a bullish move or a trade. Of course, we need other things that we need to take into consideration, which are lower time frame confirmations and many other things. And the other thing that it is that according to my strategy, I never look for trades that last this long, because by the time that we're here and we enter, and by the time that price reaches this area, it will take a long time. And that's not really my trading style. But one thing that we can do is once we reach this area, we look for lower time frame entries And I trade just inside of a 1 hour candle. So I just need, a 1 hour bullish candle to actually catch a 1 to 5 restored ratio, and I'm good. Let's close this. Perfect. Here, what do we have? We have Bitcoin, US dollar. Nice. First of all, what do we notice from here? Let me go and annotate on this chart. First, we manipulate this area and we break to the downside. So this is a nice supply area. After reaching this supply area, we have break to the upside, break to the downside. That's also great. 15 minutes point of interest right here. That's good. And here we don't have a breakout structure yet. So you want to enter from here, and I really hope that you have a confirmation from here. I will need your lower time frames chart to show me what you have here, because I will never enter just from a 15 minutes point of interest without any confirmation and by just putting stop loss above it. Now, great analysis overall. I will need to see the lower time frame analysis in order to understand if there is an actual reason why you took the trade. Here, what do we have? Gold, same analysis as we have already seen. So yeah. Hey, can you take a look at GP/JPY? Let's take a look at GP/JPY, your chart. I usually don't trade GP/JPY, and I'm honestly not understanding why you took this entry. So we have the 1 minute chart. So first of all, just by looking at the 1 minute, maybe it doesn't really make sense. So I will need to see the overall chart. Then I see moving averages, which we don't use, but if you found your way to actually use them profitably, then it's great for you. I hope that there is a reason. That being said, we just continue bullish here. Then we break to the downside. Then we come back to supply. It's not a trade that I will take just because there is a change of Carter. As many of you might know, if you listen to what I say, is that the change of Carter doesn't work. Change of Carter, like many other smart money concepts, don't work. The change of Carter, I say it again, the change of Carter, just like many other smart money concepts, it doesn't work. The reason why is because you need to put stuff together. You need to have a plan. You need to have a strategy. You need to have a system that actually helps you view the market with a statistical edge. Just because there is a change of Carter here, we have plenty of fake change of Carters every single day. If you don't know that, it's because you're not looking at my course and the education that I share. GBP USD. Let's see. Fake change of Carter. Well, that's not usually how I approach it. Isn't that what I just covered earlier? Well, this is overall great analysis. I like this. Would you consider this setup? Let's see. So here we have your USD. Liquidity down here, great liquidity. We have a trending Asia range, so I will be very careful with shorts, but anyway, we can still take shorts if there is enough confluence. Here we start consolidating. This is the 3 minutes. I will need to look at the 1 minute. Is this from today? Let me know if this is from today, or let me know which day it is from so I can go and check it out. Let's see if it is from today. Is it this one? I don't know. Let me know if it is from today so I can actually... It's from 17th of March. Let's go. Here. 17th of March, right here. Perfect. Let's zoom out. Well, first of all, great. We have Asian range, overall a very strong bearish trend. Where it is broke, where do we have the first breakout? We have it here. So let's go on the 5 minutes so you can check it out. What happens is that here we have a clear breakout structure, right? Wait, not this one. Here we have a clear breakout structure. Now we have many possible supply areas where to trade from, but we'll mark out this one because it is the closest one to our Asian range. We go to the 3 minutes and we can see clearly that even if the Asian range is trending and therefore we must be careful with sells because the Asian range is trending bullish, we can still consider sells. We'll go on the 1 minute and check out what is going on right here once we reach that supply area. And the first thing that we can notice is that we have a strong accumulation. Here we have equal highs. So it's great. It's great to see equal highs for liquidity. We have a sweep of this liquidity. And after our sweep of this liquidity, we have possible entries. We have possible entries after this low is being taken out. And of course, by zooming out, we can have an entry here. But personally, I would have looked for entries a bit higher, so I wouldn't have caught this trade. But overall, it's great analysis. Continuation to the downside, you can get a great risk to reward ratio right here.